Are there times that a landlord can enter a tenant's home without written notice? Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord War on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos here. Now, from time to time, I do get this question about whether or not a landlord needs to issue a written notice to enter a tenant's unit in all circumstances. And the answer is no. Per Civil Code Section 1954, there are generally 3 circumstances where a landlord would not need the tenants to issue a written 24-hour notice to enter. That would be to respond to an emergency, or if at the time of entry the tenant consents to the landlord or whoever's there to enter the property, or after a tenant has abandoned and or surrendered the rental property back to the landlord. Those are like the 3 circumstances where a written notice to enter would not be required. I know what you guys are thinking here. What would constitute like an emergency? It's factually going to depend on the circumstances, but like the classic example of an emergency that I can think of where no notice would be needed to enter a property would be like if the water main burst and there's like flooding inside the home. I've had a landlord had to go through that situation where they have to like shut the water off and so forth, and they had to actually enter the home to actually do that. So that would be like a circumstance that would probably constitute an emergency, or like if your tenant was having a medical emergency or someone was crying for help, that type of deal, you could get in, get them assistance, that type of deal. So if you're dealing with any type of landlord-tenant situation, in landlords, property managers, if you're not sure what you need to do under the law or what your lease requires, that type of deal, feel free to reach out. If you have questions, comments, put them down below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Until next time, folks, we'll talk to you then. Thanks.